Amara. You ready for your first real food? What do you think, honey? We're gonna try green beans. And I'm really curious what you're gonna do with these. This tastes different than anything you've had before. You ready? Good girl. What does that taste like? Do you like it? It's different than the cereal we've been having, isn't it? Want more? Yeah? Well, these are going to be messy, aren't they? Does it taste okay? What do you think? You ready for more? Yeah? You're not so sure about that, are you? What do you think? Are you ready for another bite? Well, you're still opening your mouth. That's a good thing. You look concerned. Zoop. Oh, keep your hands out of the way. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, you're funny. Ready for more? Woo! Ready? Okay, open it wide. Open up. Open up. Want some more? Zoop, doo 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 doo. Need you to open wide. You giving up on these already? Hey. Hey. You really don't know what to do with that, do ya? And there it is, her first vegetables.